Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Dropbox for file sharing, full guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Dropbox website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. If you already have an account, click on the sign in button. Enter your email and password, then click sign in to access your Dropbox dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate the upload files button on the right side. Click on it to choose the files you want to share. Select the files from your computer, then click Open to upload them to Dropbox. After the upload is complete, find the files in your Dropbox folder. Hover over the file you wish to share and click on the Share button. In the pop-up window, enter the email addresses of the individuals you want to share with. You can add a message if you'd like to provide context. Use the drop-down menu to adjust the sharing settings, allowing them to view or edit the file. Once everything is set, click Send to share the file. For sharing a folder, navigate to the folder you want to share. Hover over the folder's name and click the Share button. Enter the email addresses in the same way as you did for individual files. Adjust the permissions based on how you want others to interact with the folder. Click Send to share the folder with your selected contacts. To create a shareable link for anyone, right-click the file or folder. Select Share from the drop-down menu. In the pop-up window, click on Create Link. Once the link is generated, you can copy it to share via email or other platforms. To manage shared files or folders, go to the Shared tab on your Dropbox dashboard. Here, you can see all the items you've shared and their current permissions. If you need to stop sharing a file, click the Share button next to it. Then, select Remove Access to restrict access for specific users. To ensure files remain secure, consider updating your sharing settings regularly. Explore the advanced settings for additional options like password protection or expiration dates. With these steps, you can effectively configure Dropbox for file sharing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.